Yo, what is up, everybody? So we're back. Um, we're back to the normal uploads, and obviously we have this Trump news. If you guys haven't caught on yet, this was Trump with some news, with the tariffs. So more tariff news, guys. What is this, like a 500 point dump? So yeah, 600 point dump, 6 to 700. And yeah, that's that. But today, I got my wedding day that I need on this core account, so payout is coming for that. Dude, these core, I'm not gonna lie, I might just farm these core accounts next time I go back to MFF. Like, the scale plans are cool, but like, bro, these core accounts, bro, like, I just hit one trade of like $1,600, which is pretty easy. And then I just make $100 for eternity, and I get free max payout, like 4 times in a row. So, yeah, and then I passed 3 Fundednext Rapids in one trade, obviously, so I'm gonna do a refresh in case you guys are gonna see a refresh. So boom, all in one trade, and this was not on the down move. I did not gamble this move. I was way done by then. I took a trade off of market open. So let's close this for now. So I'm not gonna go over any of this because this is just pure news, but I will go back to market open. I saw 2 trades today, guys. One trade right off open and another one a little bit after. So right here, I took this long right off of market open. So what do we have coming into today? So we were respecting this 1 hour gap, had a nice V shape out of it. Then we're like sort of respecting this 15-minute gap. Like we are technically because we didn't close below it. And this should put in a new swing low. And then when market opens, we make these equal lows. The market makers make these equal lows or whatever. And then we sweep these. So if we go to 1 second, boom, here's 930. And then as you can see, boom, we come down, sweep the equal lows, instantly flip this candle. Me, personally, my entry on this was I was telling myself, okay, if we flip this 5-minute candle, right? So we come in here, 930, boom. Okay, boom. And I was like, okay, this is exactly what I want to see. I want to see us take these 1-minute equal lows. We have an internal bullish SMT. It's like kind of SMT. It's like an SMT with these 2 tiny lows. So like it's a pretty weak SMT, but SMT is SMT, right? So sorry, I had some dick in my throat. But anyway, I was like, okay, if this 5-minute candle flips, I'm entering. Like I've seen this play out too many times. Oh shit, sorry. All right, why am I entering? Because look, on Nasdaq we have relative equal highs at London and Asia, and obviously we're at all-time highs, so we are bullish, right? And on ES, bro, guys, on ES, we literally have triple high time frame equal highs. 3 1 hour equal highs. Should be 3 4 hour equal highs. And if you go on the 5-minute, 15-minute, it's quadruple equal highs, right? If you go on the 15-minute, we have we have 5 equal highs. Like 6, 5 equal highs, right? So nothing I want right now besides lunds. Like I've seen this play out so many times for my eyes. I was not missing on this move, right? So boom, take this and then instantly flip. Boom, we flip the candle right here, and then boom. So we flip the candle, I enter, stop loss below this new low we just put in. And then if you look in the 15-second, we actually do end up getting a 15-second inverse. So technically this is the model. So technically, if you are trading PB model, you also could take this trade. Me personally, I was entering off of my own shit. Like I wanted this 5-minute candle to flip. I seen this play out too many times, and I only needed like 38 points to pass these evals. So boom, I needed that. And then right here, I mean TP in like 2 candles, right? So that was the first trade. And ES actually did end up taking this high before. So ES actually ended up taking London and Asia before, and we got this little bearish reaction off of it. Normally, guys, when ES takes it out, I would take out of this position right here. But in this scenario, like, we are just so bullish that I am not expecting this little SMT. It's kind of a big SMT because it's with London and Asia, but I'm not expecting that SMT to prevent us from hitting the higher time frame draw, right? So, like, what am I trying to say? Fuck, bro, I just forgot. You guys give me a second. I'm trying to remember. Like, I was gonna say some sauce. Well, it's not really sauce. Damn, bro, what was I gonna say? What the fuck? Okay, well, I would have taken out this early if it was like, Oh shit, that's what I meant, guys. Okay, so if you look at what we've been doing, right? I was telling my friend this, like, look, guys, during AM session we dump, and then overnight we buy back up to all-time highs. AM session, dump, overnight all-time highs. AM session, dump, overnight all-time highs. AM session, dump. I'm expecting overnight all-time highs. Obviously, it did happen. It didn't happen because of the tariff news. I'm assuming with no news it would have happened. But either way, I'm bullish because we have not bought up to all-time highs yet, right? So with all that being said, this SMT at London and Asia should not stop us. NQ should still want to take out these relative equal highs. And that was what happened. So boom, pass your evals, you guys saw the P&L. And then after this, we started fucking chopping. Like, this is so ugly, guys. Like, if you traded this, bro, I'm sorry. I, like, personally, after I saw this, I was done. Well, I already passed the evals, so I was already done for the day. But, like, in the case where I was looking for a trade, like, because my friends were talking to me about some trades, this 1 minute didn't look too bad. So we made these 1 minute equal lows down here, swept them by a tick, which is exactly what you want to see. And then we have some sort of SMT. Like, we have some sort of SMT with this low, the market open low. But I wouldn't really count this. I mean, again, SMT, it's SMT, but, like, it's not really SMT that matters. Like, you guys normally just want SMTs at key levels, or, like, equal lows, stuff like that actually matter. So yeah, we have this SMT 1 minute inverse to the upside, and you can enter off of this, go break even at the 2 minute, target this buy side liquidity above. And I actually did, out of all the setups, I did like this because we finally kind of broke out of this range. So this could be like an AMD, like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So that's why I did kind of like this trade. But I never would have taken this, guys, because one, like this chop, and two, I already won for the day. So with that being said, there was a 2 minute gap here and a 4 minute. But the reason why I wasn't trying to wait for this 4 minute was because if this is truly an AMD, then, like, this 4 minute should not be holding us from going to this, right? Like, this should just be completely getting ran through. And that's why I was comfortable taking the 1 minute. And then there was a 2 minute, sorry. There was a 2 minute above 2, and there was also a 3 minute above. You could just make, I think in this case I had the 3 minute as my break even. So you just make one of those gaps your break even. So boom, one candle, your break even there. And then ES actually ends up taking this high. So if you look on ES, boom, 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 boom. And then ES takes a high right here. So let's cut that candle out. So ES ends up taking the high right here. Oh, next candle. So boom. Boom. ES takes the high. So you would close right here for a, like, 1.5, I think. Yeah, like a 1.5. Pretty nice trade. This is the only other trade I saw. After this, guys, I just got off. Like, I'm sure, I think there was a setup after this because I saw hella people catching the big ass Trump move and they were, like, already in a short. So I'm assuming there was a setup here. Yeah, it looks like we came up, swept all these highs, and then we got a short. No, we didn't. Okay, so right here. Okay, I don't know what setup is right here. So whoever took this, I guess, saw something I didn't. But yeah, this lawn right here and this lawn off market open, only two setups today. Besides that, we just have this. So if you caught a piece of this and passed some evals, good for you. I personally did not because I was actually doing something else. Kind of wish I did. Kind of wish I bought some evals and just one day pass all of them, but it's unfortunate. All good. And that being said, that is all for the day. P&L for the day. It was like, I think it was like 1650 times 2 plus like 15 something plus 100. So $4,900, $4,800 was fake money, $100 was real money. And yeah, I have 3 fund accounts now, and we'll see how that goes. So I will see you guys on Monday, and maybe I'll do a backtesting video this weekend, guys. I hate backtesting, and like, I generally don't think you need a backtest. Like, I hate backtesting. I feel like it doesn't help me at all because, like, when you're actually trading this, guys, like, it gets the max emotions. Like, it gets you get the max test of your emotions, right? Like, in backtesting, you lose. It's so easy to take that loss and go to the next day because they're just like, oh, okay, let me just skip a day, and you skip to the next day, and it's not even real money. But yeah, like in like live trading, you can't do that. Like, if you lose a trade, you're stuck there sitting on the charts for the next hour, fighting yourself whether to revenge trade or not. If you can't lock yourself out, right? If you're on like Trade and you can't, like, you don't have Project X, you're not locking yourself out. Like, you're literally sitting there like fighting your demons, like, to see if you want to revenge trade or not. But with backtesting, you just be like, okay, I lost. Skip. Arrow skip. Next day. Oh, this day's price action's not good. Skip. Next day. Like if you're sitting here in the morning, price action's not good, you might still trade like I did the other day. So that's why I don't like backtesting, because it doesn't really help you practice that shit. And I already know my model works, right? But that was all yap. That doesn't matter. I'll see you guys Monday. That was a P&L for today, and I will see you guys.